Hello students, today we will be performing practical called flexural strength of the concrete, or it is also called as bending strength of the concrete. It is required for the construction of concrete roads, where it is very useful or very important to know the flexural strength of that concrete. Okay, so for that we require to cast a beam of size 700 mm length and 150 by 150 mm whose width and depth. Okay, either 700 mm or 500 mm length, and other dimensions will be 100 mm by 100 mm, means depth and width. So here we are going to cast the 700 mm length and 150 mm by 150 mm width and the depth of that beam size. Okay, so this is the beam we are going to use, means this is the mold we are going to use for casting the beam. Then this is the formula required for to calculate the flexural strength, where the A is nothing but the distance between A is the distance between, this is the A, this is the A, these are the supports you will be seeing here, these are the supports. Now the logic behind this is, when this formula is used, FB is equal to P into L divided by A upon D square, when the distance between the fracture length, so this is the fracture length you will be seeing here, this is the fracture. Okay, this is the fracture, this is the fracture, and the distance between the fracture line and the nearest support, the distance between the fracture line and the nearest support should be greater than 20 centimeter, should be greater than 20 centimeter. Then in that case we are using this formula, FB is equal to P into L divided by A into D square, where P is the breaking load. P is the breaking load, means this beam we are going to test under the UTM machine, where we may take the test under center point loading or 2/3 point loading. Okay, center point loading or 2/3 point loading, either maybe the test we can take, and then we are going to apply the load. So after applying we will get fracture, we will get the fracture on the beam at any point. Okay, so that fracture line, the distance between that fracture line and the nearest support, if it is greater than 20 centimeter, then we are using this formula, FB is equal to P into L upon A into D square, where P is the breaking load, L is the length of the sample, where L is the 700 mm, then A is the again the distance, and D is the 150 mm by 150 mm. So this formula we are using for to calculate the flexural strength of the concrete. And this is the beam size, this is the beam mold we are going to use. Here he is applying the oil from the inside of the beam in order to concrete should not there. And again we are going to use here M20 concrete only, M20 concrete only. So we have already made a concrete of M20 grade. Now we have fill the beam by concrete. Now next day we are going to remove this mold, and we are going to keeping this beam under the water for curing paper, and for 7 days and for 28 days we are going to take the test under the UTM, universal testing machine. So this is how we are going to calculate the flexural strength of the concrete.